Hello and welcome to AutoCV. AutoCV is a powerful platform that helps job seekers find their jobs and launch their careers. To get started as a job seeker, head over to the Job Seeker portal and sign in with your credentials. If you are not a user yet, create a new account via the sign-up form. Now let's go back and sign in. Once you're signed in, to upload multiple documents including your CV, presentation letters, certificates, and more, click on CV and Documents. In this area you will title your resume. As I am giving the title of CV. Scroll down the list and select Document Type. From here, you can upload your document file. Here I have uploaded my resume file. Once you upload your desired document, make any of your uploaded documents private by simply shifting the button to the right. Make them public again by shifting the same button to the left. Make sure you save your changes. Your resume has been uploaded. To remove one or more of your uploaded documents, simply navigate to your public profile. There you can remove it by clicking on the delete icon. Do note, it is also possible to upload your CV video in your profile details. This feature is optional. It can be used to enhance your job application. In order to proceed, go to Settings on the side menu and there you'll find a section to upload it. AutoCV provides you with a dynamic tool to create a professional CV. To accomplish that, click on the CV Builder from the side menu. All you have to do is toggle between the Edit and the Preview mode located on top of the page. Use the Edit mode when entering or modifying any changes to your CV. To preview your created CV, switch to the Preview mode. Go back to the Edit mode and click on Edit icon in the Experience header to add your first experience. In this area you will add the title your job, as I'm giving the title of Salesman. Add the company name, add dates, and any additional information you want to edit. Here you will click on it to add whether you are currently employed or not. Make sure you save your changes. Your work experience has been updated successfully. To preview your created CV, switch to the Preview mode. Keep in mind, to perform further adjustments, return back to Edit mode. To search for posted jobs, click on the Jobs link, found on the side menu. All the jobs that are available will be displayed. For more targeted results, apply available filters, such as job industry, job title, salary, and others that appear on the list. Scroll down and click on the search button to view your related matches. For a new search, make sure you clear your filters. This button is located on top of the page next to job alerts. A full detailed job description page will expand once you click anywhere on the box of your desired job selection. Notice that you can add jobs to your favorites list for later use. These jobs will also appear on your dashboard. When you are ready to send your application request, just click on Apply Now. If you changed your mind, click on Remove Application. Here's a cool feature that allows you to receive instant updates, job alerts. Here's how it works. Go on the side menu and click on Jobs. Continue to your filters and check the boxes of your desired requirements. Once you're finished checking these boxes, make sure you press the blue search button located underneath the filters. This will allow to improve and narrow your search and save your selected preferences. The next step is to click on the yellow tab Get Job Alerts. A window will then open and allow you to enter the name for your alert and to specify its frequency. Make sure you save your changes. Your job alert has been created. To initiate a new job alert, start this process from the beginning. When your job application gets noticed by employers, they could use the AutoCV internal messaging chat option to initiate the first contact. Once the employer sends you a direct message, you will get a notification in your message box. This is located on your dashboard. You could also access your chat page, which is located on the side menu. Please note, You could only chat with the employer once they start the conversation. Looking for a job is never an easy task. AutoCV creates the perfect space for job seekers and employers to communicate. Thanks for watching.